Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Welcome to Pakistani American News Channel. Kesser Mustafa from New York. President-elect Donald Trump has named former Georgia Senator David Perdue to become ambassador to China, a key role for how the US deals with one of its biggest global rivals. Perdue, who was labeled anti-China by a Chinese think tank while in Congress, has advocated for stronger US Navy, partly over China's work to increase its military strength. He is the latest China hawk tapped for foreign policy in President Donald Trump's next term, as the world wonders if the incoming president will start a trade war with the country. Earlier this week, President Donald Trump said Peter Navarro, who backs high tariffs and taking a hard line on China, would return to the White House as a trade and manufacturing advisor. Both men tapped by the President Donald Trump for cabinet roles on foreign policy. Senator Marco Rubio for Secretary of State and Fox News weekend host Pete Hegseth for Defense Secretary are also China critics, along with Michael Waltz, who is expected to become National Security Advisor. In announcing by choice, President Donald Trump said Perdue would be instrumental in maintaining peace and a productive working relationship with China. The president-elect has vowed to impose stiff tariffs on products entering the US from Canada, Mexico, and China during his first days back in office. A massive trade imbalance between the two countries has persisted for decades. The US imported more than 420 billion US dollar worth of goods from China in 2023 and exported less than 150 billion US dollars. Federal data shows. The Chinese embassy in the US recently warned that both countries would suffer consequences if trade war were to ensue. China-US economic and trade cooperation is mutually beneficial in nature, Chinese embassy spokesman Liu Pengguo posted on X earlier this week. No will win-win a trade war on a tariff war. On Thursday night, following Perdue's nomination, Mr. Liu said China stands ready to engage in dialogue, expand cooperation, and manage differences with the incoming US government so as to maintain stability in China as relations to the benefits of the two countries and the world at large. Thanks for watching Pakistani American News Channel.